Hey guys, coming to you from Long Radio, West Springfield and Hadley, Massachusetts, the toys for your car people. Today we have a 2018 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. Just wanted to show you, we just finished putting in a ALPINE 7-inch touchscreen on this, along with backup camera, satellite radio, USB, Bluetooth, all that kind of fun stuff. The reason why I wanted to show you this piece is because this is the I207 from ALPINE WRA. This is Jeep specific for the late model Jeeps. Like I said, this is a 2018. This comes with everything you need to install it in these Jeeps. By that I mean it comes with your mounting kits, these tabs that fill in the space on either side, comes with your wiring harness, comes with what's called a Maestro Interface. The Maestro Interface ties directly into the car's OBD2 sensor, gives you vehicle information, which I'll show you real quick right here. I'll just go into this, hit vehicle information. So we got gauges up here. We have coolant temperature, engine load, intake temperature. We can go into vehicle information. It gives us tire PSI all the way around, engine voltage. It does check engine lights. I'll open up a door here, you'll see it. Driver's door open, driver's door closed, does that type of information. So that's what the Maestro Interface does. It also ties into the car's steering wheel controls, so it can allows you to go up and down with the steering wheel controls, change stations, all that. This does have, like I said, Bluetooth. So it does Bluetooth audio streaming, Bluetooth hands-free. It has USB input. We've also, that's one of the things we did. We actually took out the cigarette lighter right there. This vehicle has two of them. So we took one out and we installed a USB. Nice convenient spot right there so you can plug your phone in real quick. This does have Apple CarPlay, like I was saying. Hit the right button. Now, Apple CarPlay allows you full phone access, full music access on your phone, map information, and GPS directly off of your phone. It also allows you to have Siri read back your messages, answer messages, all hands-free, audiobooks, podcasts, all that type of stuff directly through the phone. Apple CarPlay, if you haven't used it, please stop in, pair your phone up to one of our Apple CarPlay units. You will love it. It makes driving super easy, super safe to interface all of your electronics. They also have them for Android Auto if you're an Android user. It's a great product. And access your music. This unit also has the ability, we did satellite radio on this, so we can go in, satellite radio. It says a favorite screen. It's not set up right now, but this allows you to have preset radio stations, preset satellite radio stations, preset directly to Pandora, all that type of thing. It makes it very, again, safe and easy to use. Backup camera, you can access it directly. Also automatic when you pop it into reverse. So those are the major things with this. Very easy to use, very intuitive, great picture quality. It's a 7-inch capacitive touchscreen. Great sound quality as far as building a sound system. If you want to build this, I mean, Alpine's known for sound quality. They're known for system building. So if you want subwoofers, amplifiers, you want to build a system off this, this is a great radio. It's not super expensive. You know, Alpine makes a whole bunch of Jeep units that are the 9-inch units, waterproof, all that kind of stuff. This one makes it with everything that it comes with. It's very affordable, and a lot of people like it. Very popular piece. So give us a call, stop in, check it out. We'd love to help you out. It's Long Radio, West Springfield in Hadley, Massachusetts. the toys for your car people.